Another frequently asked question, in fact, maybe one of the most frequently asked questions, is if I am missing work due to injury, how do I ensure that I get paid for that lost time? The statute is very clear on this, and it is not always favorable. First, you have to be in treatment with the authorized treating physician. The end of treatment is marked by the doctor's declaration that you have attained maximum medical improvement, MMI. Let's put that in simple terms. It means the doctor's saying, I'm done. I don't know what else to do for you. So as long as you're in treatment and have not yet gotten to that point, and the doctor is the one that the insurance company appointed. We're not talking about your doctor. We're not talking about a doctor I sent you to. We're talking about the insurance company's appointed doctor. In treatment. Under restriction. The doctor has imposed a restriction on your ability to work. That can either be entirely off work or it can be a set of limitations. And your employer either cannot or will not accommodate those restrictions. If you're off work because the doctor said so, or the employer is unable or unwilling to accommodate your restriction, then you are eligible for the off-work benefit, referred to as temporary total disability benefit. That is computed, the amount of money you would get per week is computed from the average of your wages over the 26 weeks preceding the date of accident. We look at the 6 months before you got hurt. Whatever that average is, 2/3 of that number is what you would be paid weekly to be off work. There is a cap, however. What's interesting here is your wages, obviously, your gross wages are taxable. Your work comp benefits, 2/3 of your average gross taxed, 2/3 of it under work comp is not taxable. Work comp benefits are not taxable income. So how do you get paid? Well, we got to make sure you're satisfying those elements. You're in treatment, under restriction, and your employer is not accommodating you. Under that scenario, if they're not going to voluntarily pay you, as I tell them to, we'll get them to a judge. The judge can order them to pay you. There's another category of damages in which the employer has accommodated you back to work, but they've either put you in a position of reduced hours or reduced pay. You are still entitled to 2/3 of that gross difference as a work comp benefit per week for the lost wages per week. Again, that is not taxable, so that's money that's due you, goes into your pocket to help you get by. If you are treating with a doctor and under restriction and not working, give me a call. Let's go over the details. Let's make sure we get you paid.